And nanalo yung Adobong Manok. Kaya yun yung... Sorry to edit it.
Mga gabing walang plano, walang tulog. Kwento tawanan, hindi napagod.
Don't you close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore.
But we have an announcement at the end of the video that we need your guys' help with. And it's making a big difference in the Philippines already. What's up aking mga kaibigan? Welcome back sa aming channel, Mukhang Amerikano pero Pusong Pinoy. At salamat sa support ninyo sa dating videos po namin, lalo yung sinigang. Alam ko mahilig kayo sa pagluluto. Salamat sa mga recommendations niyo sa amin. Paano magluto ng sinigang ng tama. Pero na yun, kasi mahilig kayo sa pagluluto, ay yun yung gagawin namin ulit. And hindi ko alam kung nakita ninyo yung poll namin sa YouTube channel ko. Pero ito yung poll. Sinabi ko, sige mag-vote tayo ulit. Magluluto po namin ng dish na yung weekend. Salamat. And yung tatlong options ay Adobong Manok, Chicken Inasal, tsaka Buko Pandan. And nanalo yung Adobong Manok. Kaya yun yung gagawin namin na yun. Magluluto kami ng Adobong Manok. Pero kailangan namin ang asawa ko, si Emmie. Kaya tatawagan ko siya. Like I said, we're cooking adobo, not sinigang this time. Hopefully we don't mess it up. How excited are you?
I'm very excited that we don't have to eat okra because that was nasty.
I love okra, but don't get too comfortable. This is a Philippines national dish, and we can't screw it up. We screwed up the sinigang pretty bad, apparently. But
We did?
apparently, sinigang na manok doesn't exist. But I definitely had it in the Philippines, so I'm a little confused. But salamat sa mga recommendations nyo. Papunta kami sa Walmart na yun para bibili ang mga ingredients. Kaya ito po yung ingredient list namin. Boom. Sige, papunta kami sa Walmart. Bibili kami ng mga ingredients. Sige, nandito kami sa Walmart pero hindi kami mag-film habang sa loob kami. Kasi medyo boring yun. Pero papakita namin sa inyo yung mga ingredients na bibili namin. Pero yun lang. Kita-kits.
Mga sandaling di natin inisip na balang araw babalikan ulit.
Sige po, tapos na yung shopping spree namin. Binili namin lahat yung mga ingredients na kailangan namin. And hindi kami magluto na yun. Magluluto kami bukas ng hapon. Pero kailangan namin ilagay or mag-marinate ng manok. Parang mga 24 oras, mga ganon. Mga isang araw. Pero yung mga ingredients namin para yung marinade ay chicken thighs, toyo, hindi datu puti pero soy sauce pa rin, toyo pa rin. May bawang o yung garlic, tsaka yung bay leaves, and yung peppercorn, tsaka isang sibuyas. Pero papakita ko sa inyo yung proseso. Yun lang.
Hindi man natin hawak ang oras. May alaala na di kumukupas. Babalikan natin to balang araw. Lahat ng saya hindi mawawala. Mga kwento na paulit-ulit. Kahit saan, kahit kailan sulit. At sa bawat alaala, mas lalo lang akong nasasabik. Kasi alam kong
Welcome back, aking mga kaibigan sa aming kusinahan. And this is our chicken that has been marinating for 24 hours with toyo, suka, sibuyas. Video where we cook Filipino food. And this is the national dish of the Philippines. It is Adobong Manok. And last week we tried cooking sinigang. And how'd that go, Emmie?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, except we were told that we did it wrong.
We apparently did it wrong. So
I thought it tasted good, but we made some mistakes.
we did make mistakes. We cut the ginger too big and left it in the sabaw. for too long, and there wasn't enough sabaw. And apparently, Sinigang na Manok doesn't even exist, supposedly, which is weird because I had it in the province of Pangasinan, so I'm a little confused there. But we love you guys. Thank you. We're getting better at cooking because of you guys. We have an announcement at the end of the video. It's a big announcement. It's not merch or asking for subscribers or anything. It's something that we need your guys' help with, and it's making a big difference in the Philippines already. And we know it can make a bigger difference in the future. So we need your help. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, we'll get into the cooking part.
We're gonna warm up the pan a little bit with some olive oil, and then we're gonna kick the heat on a little bit above medium, and we're just gonna let it get warm before we start putting the chicken in. Okay, we're ready to put our chicken onto the pan. We're gonna put it on each side for 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay, sige. Tapos na yung timer namin. Kaya yung chicken, kailangan natin ilagay na ang chicken or yung manok sa plato. Sige. Medyo mainit ito, kaya kailangan natin mag-lower ng heat. Dagdagan natin ang bawang tsaka sibuyas sa pan ito. Pero kailangan natin maghintay hanggang mas malamig pa kasi mainit. Masasunog ang mga bagay natin. Sige, may sauce dito. Kaya kailangan natin ilagay yung sibuyas ito at mag-saute. Mag-saute natin ang sibuyas. Handa na kami para yung bawang. Dagdagan natin sa ito. Maghintay tayo ulit. Mga 1 minuto yata. 1 minuto or 2 minuto. Pagkatapos nito, ibalik natin yung manok sa pan natin. Pagkatapos yun, dagdagan natin yung marinade. Yung toyo, tsaka suka, tapos sibuyas, tsaka yung bay leaves. Dagdagan natin sa pot.
Don't you close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. We're gonna just put in 2 cups of rice, wash it, because apparently that's a thing too, I never knew. 3 to 5 times is what I heard. So we're gonna do 2 cups. I'm just gonna take it over the sink and I'm gonna wash it.
Sige, tapos na yung sibuyas tsaka yung bawang. Dagdagan or ibalik natin yung manok sa pan natin. Mahilig kami sa manok. Ang daming manok nito. Tsaka konti pang tubig. Pagkatapos yun, maghintay tayo mga 20 minutos. Babalik tayo dito mga 20 minutos. Kitty kits.
We added potatoes, patatas, burger, hamburguesa. How do you say hamburger in Tagalog?
They say burger.
Oh.
Don't really have burgers unless it's Sulit Burgers. Sulit Burgers, Frank's. Shout out Frank's. We want a sponsorship from Frank's. Frank's sells burgers, buy one get one free for 35 pesos, which 58 pesos is about $1. So buy one get one free burger for 38 pesos. They also sell foot-long hot dogs, chili dogs. Footlongs.
That's
and
too much.
They sell my favorite, the egg burger, where it's a little burger and they put a fried egg on top. It's so bomb. Shout out Frank's.
We're waiting for the patatas to cook.
We're getting it going. I've had many different types of manok. I've had Adobong Manok. I've had Adobo na baboy, pork, chicken. Okay, we're the final stretch. Siguro mga 3 minuto pa. We're waiting for the sauce to get a little bit thicker and maghintay kayo na saglit lang pa. In a couple more minutes, we'll reveal what we mentioned earlier, the big reveal at the end. But yeah, konti pa lang and then kakain na tayo.
Trevor keeps telling me that rice is the main dish and that this would be, what's it called? Ulam, right? Okay, all right. I was told meat goes on the side, So I'm gonna get a little bit of adobo, or no, what's it called? Na manok? Manok. Adobo na manok. The broth is gonna go on the rice, which is called
Sabaw.
sabaw. Sabaw.
Sige, tapos na yung pagkain. Kakain na tayo. My wife has not tried it yet, so we are gonna let her try it.
Let's get a piece of chicken. Some rice.
How is it?
It's really good. I like it better than last week's.
Okay, she likes it better than the sinigang, everybody. Okay, we're gonna eat this. Kakain na tayo. It's masarap siya. You've tried a decent amount of Filipino food. We've tried beef caldereta, halo-halo, lumpia, sinigang na manok, or sampolok na manok, according to the viewers. And now adobong manok. What is your favorite, if you had to choose one?
Probably either this or the beef caldereta.
Caldereta.
Probably the beef one.
Beef or adobong manok? If you had to pick one of those two. Beef caldereta?
This is good, but probably
Okay,
beef.
beef caldereta, nanalo ang beef caldereta. Sige, kakain na tayo, kakain na kami.
Maybe we try that one next.
Sige, magluluto kami ng beef caldereta siguro sa susunod. Pero kakain na kami na yon kasi gutom na asawa ko, gutom na siya, gutom na ako, kakain na tayo. Kita-kits. Pagkatapos kumain namin ng pagkain nito, may announcement kami para sa inyo. A year ago in August, we were able to give away 2 cell phones to 2 families that I cared about in the Philippines. And they needed the cell phones for their daily lives, for their jobs, for school, etc., for communication. So I saw how important those cell phones were, and they didn't really have the means to get those. So, like I mentioned earlier, we want to do good with this channel. And that's what we want to start. We're starting a foundation where we have our friends, people like you, donate cell phones to us, and we bring these cell phones, or we deliver these cell phones to friends in the Philippines, and those friends find people who are in need of these cell phones. And most of these cell phones are just collecting dust. I know the 2 that we gave away last year were old cell phones that people didn't need anymore. So if you guys have any cell phones that are willing to give away to those who are less fortunate, we've got a link in the description. I was able to share this vision with my friend Jared Hartman on his channel, where he is a Canadian. Hindi siya Filipino pero marunong siya magtagalog. And tinuro ko sa kanya yung goal ko, yung pinagkalayunin ko. Pero yung kailangan namin ng tulong ninyo kasi konti lang yung pera namin. Nag-aaral ako, may trabaho ko, pero konti lang yung kita po namin. Yung vision namin ay sana magiging malaki yung channel nito. And kung magiging malaki ng channel nito, pwede natin gawin yung malaking parang good or tama sa mundo nito. Kasi yung mundo may maraming problema. And pwede natin tumulong yung mga kaibigan natin. Pero kailangan kong tulong ninyo. Kaya salamat. Sige, my link below. Ganon din, yung email ko ay sa baba. And kailangan ninyo mag-email sa akin yung plano kung gusto nyo bibigay or mag-donate yung dating or lumang cellphone. Mga 2 weeks ago, may isang lalaki, taga Manila, nag-email niya ako. Sinabi niya may 2 or 3 cellphone para
I just ran like I think like a mile and a half through the rice fields trying to get back from giving them the phone because it was pouring rain, as you can tell. So I'm soaked and I have to go straight to the FHE at the
Sige,
church.
if you made it to the end, official na tayo.
Kaya ko yan. Ayos lang yan.
Salamat sa panood.
Yeah,
Subscribe
pretty
kayo.
wrecked, not gonna lie.
Send sa mga kaibigan nyo para makita nila yung vision at gano'n din yung pagluluto namin. Hindi perfecto yung pagluluto namin, pero salamat sa suporta ninyo sa amin.
Salamat po.
Mahal namin kayo. Pero, stay tuned. Hindi ko po sigurado ano yung susunod na video natin o namin, pero makakita ninyo. Salamat sa support. Ingat. Kita-kits. Buyers.
Kasi alam kong darating pa yung mga araw na ganito ulit.
Bro, I'm literally drinking. That was not natural.
I was trying to give you a hug.
Oh, I know. Let me drink my. Get sponsored
You
by
won't hug me.
Body Armor first. Body Armor is the sponsor of today's video. Shout out my favorite flavor, peach mango.
Namanok? What does that mean? You keep saying that.
Chicken. Chicken's manok.
Namok?
Manok.
Manok? So what does namanok mean?
So I say adobo na manok. It just means adobo of chicken, or that is chicken. It links the.
Because you said it in other stuff too. Namanok. That just means with chicken.
Sinigang na manok, yeah.
Yeah.
It just means with chicken. Have a cell phone to give them. They're a family that I love a lot.